Hi guys, welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to go live on TikTok. First, open your TikTok app and then go to Profile. Tap on Menu and go to Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Live. Go to Live Events. If you see this message, go back to Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down and select Report a Problem. From here, select Submit a Report. Now describe your issue in the box as shown here. And then just submit. That's it. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, leave a like, share, and subscribe.